light is blinding, but it's okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's me Zoya and welcome back to another video. As you guys probably know, and I feel like I have mentioned it a little too many times this past year, but I gave my boards. I've like made this huge giant ass list of every mistake that I did in my boards year, and I have got you people who are going into 10th standard this year. It's scary. I was one of those people who thought that मैं तो 10th में जाऊंगी और मुझे डर ही नहीं लगेगा. I was like, boards क्या होता है? मुझे कोई stress नहीं है. I was that chill person, never cried about marks, never cried about grades, and I thought nothing could like break my chill spirit. I was wrong. Boards broke my spirit, and I think मैं ये सब avoid कर सकती थी if I would have just talked to my this mature self. Now I'm here for you guys talking about all the mistakes I made and how my boards year could have been better if I would have like avoided these tiny little mistakes. Let me explain my history of boards. I gave my boards in 2020. That means I started my boards here in 2019. I had all the basic subjects: maths, English, SST, science, Hindi, or I had computer applications. I wasn't that scared, I wasn't that nervous. Sab theek ja raha tha. And to be honest, it was going a little too chill for me. First mistake that I did starts from here. You guys know how we have that little March holiday before the session start. That 1.5 month break during March. I've never studied in the March break thing, so I school in April. I thought everything is chill and everything. But when I came that first day, everyone around me had done 1 chapter, 2 chapter, had done these 5 maths chapters. There was one person sitting who had done the entire trigonometry stuff. Like, people had done a lot. And us time tha jab I had my first breakdown ki, oh crap, I did not do anything. Now I wouldn't say that I regret not doing anything. At this moment, I feel like it's okay that I didn't study. I don't think studying in that March area is really important. If you see people studying with March time and you haven't studied, don't get nervous. Don't think that you are behind already, because trust me, you get so much time before the boards start that you can literally catch up to anyone. If you can study in that time, do study. Up to I guess for March time nikal gaya, we are in May. So if you didn't study in the March time, try to catch up in the summer holidays. ये तो उधर मेरा mental breakdown हो गया. The second mistake was when in the middle of May, after summer vacations, I came back to school and I saw how every kid was 1 or 2 chapters ahead of what was being taught in school. So if we are studying, I'm forgetting the chapters. If we are studying polynomials, there were some kids जिनका polynomials हो चुका था and they were in quadratic equations already. And if we were studying circles, there were some kids जिनका triangles तक, no wait. If you were studying triangles, there were some kids जिनका circles तक हो चुका था. Wow, I'm forgetting all the chapters now. I love this. So that was what scared me, because when I started 10th standard, I had no sort of math tutor, I had no sort of science tutor. My old tutor had just quit and मैंने bother नहीं किया to get a new tutor. So I had no tutor. And without tutor, I think it's really different for a lot of people. For me, it was really hard to like get ahead of the chapters without having a tutor. So या तो मैं with school थी और मैं behind school थी. I was never ahead of school. So that was what really stressed me out. Should have gotten a tutor, because number one, I'm not that kind of a kid that can just understand whatever is going on in school. In some subjects, I didn't have the best teachers. So I really wish that I would have gotten a tutor before starting 10th, because not having a tutor was really stressful. So in May, I got a tutor for math, but I got my science tutor right before my midterms. Like right before my midterms, I just found a tutor, and he's a great tutor, guys. And when my tutor came, he tells me one day before my freaking science exam that I had so many wrong concepts in my mind about the chapter light, and the chapter light is like the easiest chapter ever, and I was like, I had no clue that these things were wrong. That's why sometimes my numericals weren't right, and when I got my physics paper, I swear so many numericals were wrong. I got like 69 out of 80, which isn't necessarily a bad score, but I was still like pretty sad because I would have gotten a really good score if I would have gotten a tutor before, because school mein padna is really different from ghar mein padna. You can still study in school if that's been working out for you. I have had a tutor since 9th grade, and I was very used to having a tutor, and I think that's why I messed up in 10th standard. So if you have had a tutor, don't like go without a tutor. The third mistake is listening to people. There are so many people who will tell you that there's no time, boards aa rahe hain, if you don't study now, ye ek year hai, bas isi saal padna and all that. All of that is bullshit. There is so much time before your pre-boards and your boards. You can study a lot in that time if you utilize it wisely. There's like lots of time, like 40 days before your boards start. 50 if you include the pre-boards holidays. Lots and lots and lots of time. You guys can utilize it so wisely to study, but you don't need to like be ahead of your class. You just need to go along with the pace that your school is going. Review everything, I don't know, just like study like you normally do, and board se pehle wale time mein like really put in all your effort. Just chill out. It is not worth it. Because of all the stress that I had for boards, I had like really bad health in like May time. I don't know, I like developed these conditions because of all the stress, and that's what my doctor told me, a difficult autoimmune condition triggered by stress. And that is what the doctor asked me, have you had a sudden increase in your stress levels? And I knew it was boards. It was freaking boards. So don't let that get to you. Stress बिल्कुल नहीं लेना है. No stress at all. It's just a test at the end of the day. 10th के boards उतने important भी नहीं है जितने 12th के हैं. So don't stress about it. What my teacher told me is that you don't have to stress about it, but अगर time मिल रहा है पढ़ने के लिए तो क्यों नहीं पढ़े? So if you can put in all your effort, why won't you put all your effort? But there's no need to like give up on everything else. Now this one is like a really clever trip. This one is like a really clever tip. So you know how we all like crib about 1 mark or 2 marks or 3 marks. That stuff is bullshit. In your boards, how it goes for CBSE is that you have 80 marks. The 80 marks that you write your exam for, your board exam for, you have those 80 marks, and then you have like 20 marks for internal assessment. Birds. Now what internal assessment is basically, it's basically the 20 marks that you get from your school, that your school gives you. Wow, this bird! So out of these 20 marks, only 5 marks are for like written exams and stuff. The rest 15 marks are like project assessment, subject enrichment, I don't know, that stuff. So really pay attention to your notebooks and projects. And I really feel sad about saying this, but teacher key impression. If teachers don't feel good about you, if they don't get the good vibe from you, they might feel a little unfair. This is like something I'm so sad to talk about, but this does happen. After all, teachers are also human beings. You should not let your emotions affect you, but it does happen. So try to maintain a good relationship with your teachers. Wait, yeah. So if you don't have a tutor like me, and this one's really gonna help, try to go to websites. These websites like these YouTube channels saved my life. When I didn't have a tutor and I would like Google stuff, then I found them. One is EduMantra. Amazing videos. This guy teaches things in such an amazing way. I wish teachers like him exist in real life, because this guy is like amazing. Just to rely on his videos, but to get an idea of everything, definitely watch his videos. भाई की पढ़ाई तो मैंने हिंदी के लिए पूरे साल यूज़ किया है. It's a great chapter, really funny videos. If you want to have a chill time, not studying but kind of studying, watch भाई की पढ़ाई. Then there's Physics Wala or Physics Walla, I don't know. This guy is amazing too. If you guys need good science lessons, this guy is amazing. For maths, I have used a considerably good amount of Merit Nation. Merit Nation is amazing if you want to look at solutions. Sometimes solutions ke baad they have like a video, the guy explaining the solution. Usually if you don't understand the solution, if you watch the videos, you're gonna have like a clear mindset. You don't need the premium membership for this stuff. It's all for free. So Merit Nation is really good. Say no to studying from extra reference books. Teez mat bano. Don't act smart. Only NCERT guys. If you guys wanna study from extra stuff, do it just before the time when you have like your school exams, and if your school suggests it. Maths ke liye RS Agrawal is really important, but for other subjects I think NCERT is more than enough. There's lots to study in NCERT. If your school recommends it, definitely like do it for your school-based exams. But boards mein there's nothing that comes out of NCERT, like nothing at all. Pre-board se pehle, once you have like your whole syllabus complete, go by these like OSWAL question banks, I think that's what they're called. They have like 1 CBSE issued sample papers, 5 other sample papers, and 5 extra sample papers, so like lots of sample papers. Lots of questions in my pre-boards were like the exact replica of the CBSE sample paper, so definitely go through the CBSE sample paper that they issue. Also try to solve extra sample papers before boards and pre-boards. That's a good way to score really good marks, sample papers, and it also makes you feel really confident about the whole thing, the whole subject, the whole paper. Okay guys, so that was it for the video. I hope you guys really score well in your boards. Abhi tak to mere results bhi nahi aaye hain, so I am hoping that I score well too. Let's pray for Zoya, and Zoya has good boards percentage and everything. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I can do a boards related series. I am really wise at this stuff. Advice देनी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आती है. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, you can check out my after school routine as a 10th grader. That might really interest you guys. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I love you guys.